Hey, what's up, y'all? So right now in this video, I'm getting ready to go get an oil change. I'm sitting at about 20% left on my oil change. I got right now 4,471 miles on the car. As y'all know, I'm going to St. Louis to the Gap Fest. Today is Tuesday. I'm gonna be leaving Thursday, maybe late Thursday or early Thursday, depends on how my day goes. So I need to go ahead and get this oil change. Whenever I got the car, I got an oil change package deal with it, so luckily I do not have to come out of my pocket to pay for this. See if I can make a little bit of noise in here.
History in the making.
How you like the car?
Wow, look at it.
You like it?
It's amazing. It looks beautiful. Wow. This is nice.
You say it make you happy.
Oh yeah, it does. I just like these colors and the way they are. It's just great.
How it make you, man?
Oh, it looks nice. I love it.
It's on the phone.
Yeah,
So since I'm waiting on the oil change, I said I might as well talk to y'all. Y'all see that merch? Go check out my website and get it. I got different colors. But I want to let y'all know, if y'all wanted to collab and link up, do any videos, let me know on my Instagram. It is slimepat_392. Hit me up in my DMs and let me know something, and I will try to get back with you. So I come outside to see what kind of cars they got, and they really don't have nothing, to be honest. These cars, some of these cars over here is people that work here. See, that's my car. Some of the cars that's in service. I don't see no mopars. That right there is Sam's. He be in the video all the time. He the one who I bought my car from. He a good salesman. I see a whole bunch of trucks. They asked me, somebody said I should sell my cars. Like, I wish I would sell my car. I checked how much my car is valued, and it's really not gonna make a difference for me to sell my car. Why sell your scat pack just to go buy another scat pack, and you're gonna end up paying more? Don't make sense. But anyways, all I see is a bunch of trucks, Jeeps. It ain't no track hawk, vans, little SUVs. I see some Challengers up here, but more than likely it's SXTs and RTs. What's this over here? It's a probably an SXT. How much they looking for this? A 2021, 1,000 miles. I don't see the price on this. Let's see. Anyway, I see a RT Charger. More than likely this is a RT also. Them wheels is clean. They don't really got nothing here really worth looking at. I like this Jeep though. They got a couple more challenges over here. It's a RT. All these is used cars over here, by the way. That's a V6. That white one. This is a V6 also. So if you looking to get, like, you know, in the mopar game, but you ain't ready for a V8, they got a couple of V6s here. What kind of Mustang is this? I don't really care too much for Mustangs, but I don't have nothing against them. Oh my God, a 4-cylinder? They don't have nothing. Listen, y'all, this whole side over here. Let me see, can I zoom in? I'm just have to walk over there. But it usually be some cars parked up there in front of the door with a window right here. Some more parked right out here up front. That whole side over there usually be challenges and charges, but I don't see nothing. But I'm about to find out why they got my car parked over there. I'm sure y'all can see that colorful car from here. They took it to the back. Ain't no way it's got an oil change that quick. Ain't no way. Well, I really don't even know how long the car was parked out here, so let me go see. I'm about to go see if I can find Sam, the salesman, see if he can give me any updates on any new inventory that's coming in. He passed by me earlier, but I was on the phone. I know for sure they ain't got nothing up here.
Get that 52. You don't. Why you trying to put?
Did you order your merch yet?
I did. Nah, let me stop. Nah,
hey, I can check my orders.
Nah, I'm doing
I can check my orders.
I can do it today.
You can do it. Why you can't do it now?
Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let me go to my phone.
Okay.
My contacts. I sent it to me because we was at the meet, so we was handling other stuff.
You said you the best salesman here.
Best salesman.
Best salesman.
Best salesman.
They hear it.
Yes.
They hear it.
Yep. Hands down.
Hey, when's some new inventory coming in?
New inventory should be here by the end of this month, so we should be knowing real soon. I think we got 5 scat packs on the way, but everybody been wanting wide bodies because slime that came out of wide body. Everybody want wide bodies now. Nobody don't want no, you know, basic scat no more.
Little skinny body.
The skinny body scat. Shoot, I don't know what shirt. Nah, this is what I was looking at.
Let me
Shoot,
see.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm tapped in. Stop playing with
You know
me.
you can change the color once you click
Oh, for
on
real?
it. Yeah.
That's the only thing I was trying to get what shirt I want.
What color you want?
I don't know. I might get all of them, to be honest. Oh,
All
we got
of 'em.
jackets.
We got hoodies.
Oh, we got hoodies. You need the zip-ups. I need a
Zip up, a zip up. I'm gonna try it, man.
All right,
You know, I'm just you know starting it out.
All right, good.
That's the women's right there.
Oh my.
You gotta
Hold on.
read women.
Oh, my fault. My fault. All right, there we go. I'm just trying to match. Hold on.
Okay.
Proceed to check out. Hold on. Y'all can't get. Y'all can't get.
Add another shirt on there. Add another shirt. Add another shirt on there.
Oh my. All right. So whoever follows me and lets me know that you followed me and you subscribe to her channel and make sure you like, share, and subscribe, I'll send you the free shirt. So I'm paying for somebody.
Let me pick the shirt now.
All right, baby. Hold on. Let me go back there. Continue shopping.
Just click up here. And yeah.
We got accessories too.
Yeah, just the face mask. Go down, all the way down. And click on that.
All right. Oh, hold on. I might get that shirt for
Listen,
myself.
there's so many different colors in there.
All right. Oh, let's go. So which color you want? Gold. You want lime? Pale pink.
Click on it so they can see.
All right, I got you.
Hit that done button.
That's the lime. Ooh, I like that. I like that. You got that pale pink.
Oh yeah, it's gonna go good with some khakis.
Oh yeah, with some G Fazos. You got the light steel. Okay. Dang, I'm over here.
Gotta
Copyright.
have the black. Gotta have the black.
I got my beats blasting.
I don't even hear nothing.
Oh, for real?
That'll go good with some denim jeans.
Yeah.
Light wash. Gotta have that. That's that deep red.
Got that orange.
That orange pop now. That orange pop.
I like the lime. Out of
Like the lime?
I like the lime.
So he gonna order the lime, y'all.
I'm gonna order the lime, yeah. I'm gonna go with the lime. And then we gonna go, cause I know, what's a normal size? Large?
See they
What'd you say? Let's go to large.
Yeah, just get a large.
We getting a large. All right, we adding to the cart. I got 2 items. All right, now y'all can't see this.
Can't see that. But yeah, he gotta walk to the car and get his card. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna check and I'm gonna let y'all know if he really did it.
Oh my goodness. I'm really going. Hey, stop playing with slime. Come on now.
All right.
Another box.
So my cart is ready.
We
Appreciate
got
it.
our first oil change.
Yeah, first oil change.
You already got it.
We ain't got to pay for nothing. Got the oil change package.
Well, I'm about to send my card.
Who told them to close my sunroof? Who told them to close my sunroof? So they didn't move my seat, but they did close my sunroof. It's like, yo, I had it vented. You ain't have to touch it. But let me make sure that oil okay, 100%. So we good to go. Sam over there, I told y'all that was his car. A man of his word.
Hey, we enough. We enough. Nah, see y'all know, y'all see it. Come
Okay.
on now, stop
Order
playing.
place. Order place.
Yo, we good around this.
So
place.
somebody gonna get a free t-shirt because of Sam.
Get a free t-shirt. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Then you
Go
got.
ahead, show them your Instagram on the car.
All right, I got you. So it's Smooth Hemi 345. Y'all follow me on the gram, and I promise you, you text me, email me, DM me, and basically tell me that you follow. You followed Shorty. Stop playing with Slime. Slime Pad 392. You followed her. DM me, you get that free shirt. Free merch. Come on now, you can't miss out free merch.
Appreciate that, man.
Hey, checking out. Stop playing with Slime. I'll catch y'all later.